with the pink. If you feel residues, wipe it off. Make sure you don't dip it in your bottles when you have the other colors gonna contaminate your gels. And I wipe this from the blue colors, deep in the blue colors. Pick it up more gels, and you can just same, you repeat it. And it's really feather touch, okay? You don't want to drag it out too heavy. You can feel that's when I wipe it off. Give me a piece of paper right there. Thank you. You can see that it should be blends really nicely. You can see my... And if you're using these techniques, you can pretty much do it with a lot of different colors. It doesn't have to be these two colors. It just happened that I'm doing the colors these two to share with you, but you can do anything. Look at this. And it blends it for you. And wipe off my brush to clean it off before I put it back in. So both of this will not contaminating. And I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds before I'm doing a transfer voice on this. Like the same with you apply the gel paint, gel polish. 60 seconds. I know, super cute bling nails. It's cute, huh? It's just like cotton candy. I call it unicorns colors. It looks so fun. And then also you can do the unicorns, cotton candy, and you can do a blast of colors. Touch of color, I'm sorry. We did a touch of color today. It's really stunning though. We should do the next one is a touch of colors again. Should we do a touch of colors again in different colors? Because this one is just only, this is plain one. Plain with no touch of colors. I just put a transfer voice on it so then we can see the one vertical and horizontal's ombre look. It's really cute. Let me see. Hello angels. Hi marble nails. Just want to say hello to everyone. We're gonna have a minute. Like Andrea, Jazz, Gomez, Vera. Hi Lightbox back again. Nailed it by Sue. Great, so you want to see the touch of colors on this one again, or you just want a plain one with the transfer foil? I'll let you pick. This one is super cute though. So much fun to play with this. I have my piece of transfer foil here. It's really cool. Gender reveals color. Absolutely, that's a great way. Okay, the yellow ones are right. Remind me of Beauty and the Beats. Oh, this one. You are right, Viva. Absolutely. That is absolutely right. It's like making the theme of Disney character. Yes, yes, Nuna, I know. It's like, what you having like, let's go, boy. Lots of blings. Foil. Okay, let's do foil and bling. Okay, let's do foil and bling. I am going to using is Premium's iHo transfer foil. So I did yesterday with transfer foil of, if you're using iHo transfer foil in the white bottles, you want to keep it for 60 seconds. This bottle, it feels like too bright. Couldn't focus on it. And then if you're using yours Premium's iHo transfer foil in the black bottles, you want to keep it for 30 seconds. So either one, it works great. Make sure your lamp is it's cured properly. All right, so I am going to apply this on all the nails. and cure this beautiful nails for 30 seconds. Maybe I'm gonna try to look at this, see what. This looks so cute. I don't know which one should we do because they're all cute. Let's try to adjusting. Oh, this one is a bit cute. Condensed. Thank you. I try to get a lot of flowers in one nails. Let's see. Maybe that. There you go. Give it a firm rub and it should transfer really nice for you. Completely. So you have two looks of this. You can add just a little bit bling on this too. Yeah, finally I got these nails. I really wanted to doing it for all of you. And I'm gonna dress these two at the same time. How about that? And I am going to use the same theme. These two together right there. Got beads and frame right there. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is condensed glue gels on both of these nails. Hello Disha, how are you? Hi Olga. Okay, I'm gonna apply on this because I have two of this. Might as well, I'm gonna do the crystal placement on both of this. Thick density of condensed glue gel, you can just blend it nicely. It's really thick density, so you don't need a whole lot, but make sure you blend it so then that's why it stays nice. And it's enough for your crystal placements. Close the cap of your condensed glue gels, the lids on so you won't accidentally cure it. And we are going to apply the top coat, no wipe top coat, right on the top of uncured condensed glue gels. This way it will help the uncured condensed glue gels and the top coat will help grab the base of the crystals. And it's keep it last longer for 3 to 6 weeks. Again on this one. You just need to floating it on the top. You don't need to drag the condensed glue gels down because you don't want them to contaminate the gels. And you know, this one is really nice. If we have a, I saw yellows right here. Sorry. Got some yellows. I got it. I have beads and frames here, just in case you're curious why I'm doing it. I am picking some of my beads and frames. I love this collections. It gives me a lot of fun to work with. I might get a smaller one. I don't know, this nail is so happy though. It's like so soft, like calming. Hold on. It just dropped before I place it. Take it out. Can you help me with this? There you go. You can do this and then have the beads, you know, or you can using the frames however you would like it. I think either way it looks so cute. But I would do the beads as well. If you don't have the frame, you have the beads on it, just use the beads. It doesn't have to using completely the frame. The frame, it just like go upside down on me. That's why you see me, I just have to kick it on the sides and turn it like to the right. Sorry. I don't know how everyone, but I'm really super like messy. But when I need, I really need, and then sometimes it's like, oh, is everything is just too messy on for me, just against on me. But I am not gonna worry about it. Your beautiful nails is designs. That is more matter to me. Oh, thank you, babe, for cleaning it up. He's like, okay, I'm gonna move it for you. So, bring it up. Thank you. It's hard because if I'm working under the camera right now, it's so tiny, the space, I couldn't move. If I move, all of this gonna like falling apart because I was touching everything. So, just behind the scene. I need some of the little Bahamas, tiny little ones. Tiny, tiny. My Bahamas is so cute, but I need some more. Right. Oh, I never seen them so simple like today. Wait, am I going to use a yellow today? I'm planning to use yellows, but you can get away with Bahamas. Looks good. You don't have to do it. You feel like, oh my God, Nancy, can you do different colors? It just happened that these two are one of my favorites. Well, I like them all. I do all of them, like to share with all of you because some of the clients like a different look, you know. But this happened. I just really like to decorate with this. But also I do other. Yellow is one of my favorites too. Like these yellows here. They're so freaking cute too. You have to see in person. Great. I never seen this nail like so simple like this before. Good. I really like it.